baptized in Christ. That's how I know everything's gonna be alright. That's how I know everything's gonna be alright.
Someone to generator we could just say money closing our classes. I don't want one for group to come on campus. But just don't care about the money just for her to give them both to go home. I mean, my someone is sleep. Although I'm not excited because school is about to close because I have nothing doing, but seriously, bro. But anyway, if they stay in your check out go find somewhere to sleep because yay. But I think all my friends' class is closed. And
call you if you stay all night. So if God is for me, tell me who can be against me. Steady stepping on my enemy.
What's your point? Your point, $100. Yeah,
Seasons change, people change.
do I have an invitation? What did he say? Use me? Do I have an open invitation? What did he say?
I'm a chosen generation. Royal priesthood, holy nation. And if you didn't know, well, now you know. Let's go. Always on time. I got you. So right.
Why do I choose people that don't choose? Goofy. What? What?
Everything's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright.
What's going on here?
this is where and this is where we should be sleep, not only.
You love me now. So the part I was doing video and is about to read is funny. So I think you literally see the ring dropping on my face. You know how they say like when situation kind of ways and get people so like funny? I am passing through right now. So last semester I started playing I just remember since the beginning of the semester I went play and it should have been said to me. I think that one would cry about not cry.
Hey, but you don't owe me anything, but still you show me ample grace. Love you give, nothing else can.
home safe, thank God. But current left, so the place is dark. The cook prepared something else, but I want to eat plantain, like boiled plantain. So I'm gonna prepare. I ate the food because I was so hungry. I didn't carry gas in the kitchen. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.
You do